So for today, I'm going to go over the SWABOT and then what you will be doing. So the SWABOT is you'll be able to read a story and choose two different dogs to compare and contrast on a Venn diagram. So we're going to get another day of practicing with comparing and contrasting after the long break. Remember, to compare is to tell what's the same or alike, and to contrast is to tell what's different. And then, as you know, we use that Venn diagram, the two circles, to compare and contrast. Okay. So what you will be doing today is, if you click on the Dogs at Work Compare and Contrast PDF, it is the story that you will be reading. It pops up, give it a second. It's called Dogs at Work. It is the skills to compare and contrast. So keep that in mind while you're reading. So you will read this story, and obviously it goes from the left to the right on each page. After you read, you will choose two dogs to compare and contrast, okay? So as you're reading, keep that in mind. You're choosing two of the working dogs. You're going to compare them, tell how they are the same, and then tell how they're also different. So you will read that, and then you will click on the Dogs at Work assignment, which I already have pulled up over here. And this is what you will be using after you read. It looks very similar to what we've been doing. It's the Venn diagram, okay? You're just going to choose the two different working dogs of your choice. So, for example, I might put in detection dogs, and I don't want it to write in white. I might write detection dogs over here. And then the other type I might pick might be the search and rescue dogs. Okay, so I am comparing detection dogs to search and rescue dogs. Okay, I'm telling how they're different from each other, but I'm also telling how they're alike. Okay, make sure you use your story and use your text to give me different similarities and differences. You shouldn't be making this up on your own. It needs to come exactly from the reading. Obviously, you might have some prior knowledge. You might know a little bit about detection dogs or search and rescue dogs, but I want to know what the text says about it, okay? So read Dogs at Work. Complete the Venn diagram, comparing and contrasting two dogs of your choice. You're going to pick two. You're going to write them up here, and then you're going to compare and contrast them.